I make content और हो में ना हल्दी
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I hope everybody is doing fine, and if you are new here then welcome to my channel. I am Sabah. I make videos on beauty, fashion, shopping, hauls and any random vlogs I feel like, because that's me. If you like my video then please consider subscribing, that would mean a lot to me. Moving forward, as you know from the title of this video, today I am going to share my top 5 everyday use products. These are the products I love and I swear by, and I use every day in my daily life, and I will repurchase these products. The products that I'm showing you today works perfectly for my skin type and my hair type. If you are someone and you are asking for recommendation, so I will definitely recommend these products to who has similar skin like me, where I have a very combination skin. My T-zone is oily and my side parts are really dry, but in winter I become Sahara Desert, and in summers I become like a oil tank. I don't know why. I mean, at that time not only my T-zone is oily, my whole face is oily, and it's like I don't need a highlighter, because who need a highlighter when you're producing so much oil on your face after makeup? For my hair, I have colored chemical treated hair. I have bleached my hair, so it's kind of a damaged hair. So my hair, I have color treated hair. I have very dry and frizzy hair type, but I have a really oily scalp. So the day I shampoo, it's very frizzy and dry, but just after 2 days my scalp become oily as hell, and it's like I have put a lot of nariyal tel on my head, but no, that's my oil which I have on my head. So now when I have given you a little idea about my skin and my hair type, let's move further and let me show you my top 5 products that I swear by. We'll start by skin and then move to the hair part. The first product is this Clean and Clear face wash. Everybody knows this. It's a very common face wash, very easily accessible. You can find it in any chemical store or a beauty drugstore. I do use other face wash as well, like for concerned area, like for pimple mark or some patchiness. So I have a particular face wash for them as well sometime. But if I'm not using and I just want, my skin is in a good days and I just want to clean my skin very nicely, I don't want anything fancy, I want my Clean and Clear face wash. As you can see, it's almost going to be over soon. I need to buy another one. This is my go-to face wash. It's very nice. It's for oily skin. As it's written, it doesn't clog your pores. It's very light on your face, and yeah, who don't like Clean and Clear? I love Clean and Clear face wash, and this is my holy grail product. Next product is a moisturizer. Before I show you the product, let me tell you, I have some skin issues on my leg and my hand. I get skin irritation and itchiness very fast, so I have a very bad habit of scratching my skin. For that, I have doctor recommendation body lotion, which is from Aveeno, and it's clinically proven to relieve dry skin, moisturize for 24 hours, and it's fragrance free. Because I have very sensitive and irritated skin, I use this, and this is life-saving, you guys. This is life-saving. If you have little bit irritation on your skin, or you have skin similar to me and it's dry, it's patchy, it's itchy, you should definitely try this. I am using this from past 8 months. Whenever I use this, I have actually seen this work, and I get lot less more itchiness to no itchiness at all. But the moment I stop using this, I still go back to my itchy skin, but after some months. Not right after that, but it takes time, because that's my skin nature. You get this brand on Nykaa as well. So the first time I bought was from the Doctor Clinic, but then when I saw this on Nykaa, I bought this from Nykaa. So it's very easy to get your hand on, because Nykaa delivers to your doorstep. I would recommend this for moisturizing purpose. For moisturizing purpose, I use some other cream, but for concerned skin areas, I will surely recommend this, because this is my lifesaver. Next thing I love is this lip balm from Laneige. I don't know if I'm pronouncing it right or not, but I like to call it Laneige, and it's a beautiful lip balm. It smells like strawberries, guys. This is a sleeping lip balm. It's very hydrating, very moisturizing. If you put it on your lips a night before you're sleeping, the next day your lips are baby soft. And it's a lot of quantity, you guys. It's little expensive, but it is a lot of quantity. I have this from past 6 months, I guess, and I have not even finished half of it. Not even half of it. Can you imagine? Just a touch is enough for your whole lips. It's that moisturizing. Even if you find this expensive, it's not, because one tub of lip balm goes a lot. Probably 1 साल निकल जाएगा. तो 1 साल में तो आप इतना lip balm में invest कर ही सकते हैं अगर आप add on करके देखो तो. Moving forward to the hair, as I have shown you already 3 products for my skin, so I have only 2 products for my hair which I love. It's not a regular shampoo or a conditioner, because everybody have their preference, but if you still like to know what shampoo and conditioner I use for my hair, then comment down below, let me know. Then I may do a full hair care routine for you guys and show you how I take care of my damaged frizzy hair, which is not that damaged right now. It's in a pretty good condition right now. So the first thing I love is this leave-in conditioner from Quay. If you can see, it's almost what, it's pura finish. I have just little bit left, which will be finishing in next 2 use, I guess. If I have to suggest any one product from all of these 5 products, I will definitely suggest this. This works amazing for my hair. I use it after I am done with my shampoo and conditioner. I use it on my hair as a leave-in conditioner when my hair is wet, and this makes my hair ends really soft and smooth. I don't know how this thing is able to do that, but the day I don't apply this on my hair doesn't feel that nice to touch, you know. It's not that nice, but whenever, and that is every time I use this, I love to touch my hair. It's an amazing product. It works wonder. So if you want something for your hair to handle your hair, I'll definitely recommend this leave-in conditioner. It's a magical product, Okay, the last product I have, it's a hair night serum. It's from Kerastase. It's a night leave-on serum. It's like a sleeping night serum. I don't know why I'm saying the same thing in 1,000 different words, but it's a serum which you apply to the ends of your hair before sleeping, and the next day you wake up with a baby smooth hair. And yes, this does what it say. This thing works. I love this product. It works wonder for my hair, and I will recommend to you if you want to give it a try. If you're up for it, you can definitely go and try for this and see how does it work for your hair. So that's it, guys. These are the 5 holy grail products that I cannot live without, and I'll try and find the links to these products and leave them in the description box below, so do check it out. Let me know in the comment box below if you like this video, if you like my recommendation, if you're using something from my recommendation for the first time and want to share your experience. I would love to hear your experience. So let me know, tag me in your pictures, tag me in your stories, in your post, or just DM me or email me anything, and that will be really lovely. Before you go, don't forget to like and comment down below, and subscribe to my channel if you haven't, so that you don't miss any video from me. Join my YouTube family and help me pay my rents. Until then, I'll see you next time. Bye.